Turning to your forecast now, where strong storms are expected to roll into our area tomorrow. Ray, time it all out for us.
Yeah, it's the afternoon where we have the best risk of these thunderstorms to develop, but we're all in what would be considered the enhanced or the risk for numerous strong to severe thunderstorms for tomorrow. And these are going to be coming in with wind damage being the main threat, but we also have the flooding risk that comes with this as you get those storms training or passing over the same area. Can't rule out some hail here or rotation as well. So pretty much all the things are on the board as these storms develop tomorrow. And what you're going to see through the night are those clouds continuing to thicken up. And early tomorrow morning, maybe a little passing shower trying to show up in a couple instances. I don't think there's going to be an incredible amount of precipitation, but this is certainly something that could hopefully limit storms later. Now we get to lunchtime and you see a bigger batch trying to show up to the north. You see some out towards Cambridge and Aurelius trying to move into areas to the south. And these storms are going to progress off to the east and give that first little push through. And then we'll get into the evening in the cold front where you see the winds starting to make that little bit of a shift more out of the northwest rather than out of the southwest. That front will be coming through, and along that front we could have some additional thunderstorms trying to fire off for earlier parts of the evening. Then we're going to work that moisture out of here, and after maybe some pockets of fog early Wednesday, we're going to start to gradually clear it out, and I think it's going to turn out to be a pretty nice day, but a little on the chilly side. So just know that of all the days, tomorrow's the worst, just because we have all the ingredients that could come together to make strong to severe thunderstorms. Again, we're looking at damaging winds to be the primary threat there, but large hail, flooding, and rotation are all things that we're going to be watching very closely as these storms unfold. Tonight, we're going to see those skies turning mostly cloudy, maybe a little haze or smoke in there, and towards morning, maybe a passing shower. Temperatures in most cases are going to be hanging out in these mid to upper 60s. And then tomorrow, we see our temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Not a bad temperature, but it's likely not going to be a nice day. So clouds, maybe a quick passing shower up front, storms, especially for the afternoon. And once we get into about the 2 o'clock time period, that's where we start seeing the best risk for strong to severe thunderstorms to develop. And that'll take us into the evening as these pass through. Now we get into Wednesday and it's right into some smoother weather. Yeah, a little chilly, but still nice. And our temperatures are going to gradually warm into the weekend and will stay dry into the weekend. Maybe late Sunday, a quick little pop-up shower thunderstorm, and then again on Monday. But when it comes to tomorrow, make sure you keep your devices charged and you keep aware of the weather around you and have a way to get those alerts, because tomorrow is a KDKA First Alert Weather Day and we're expecting those thunderstorms during the afternoon.
Thank you, Ray.